In this video, I will show you how to remove anything or any unwanted pupil from a photo in Photoshop 2022. First, select your image. Take a lasso tool, select entire subject that you want to remove. Now go to Edit and Fill. Here Contain Aware. Wait for a few minutes and done. Now there will be a harsh edges after removing any subject from the image. To remove those harsh edges, take a spot healing brush tool and gently brush on those edges until you get satisfied. And that's it. This is before and after. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on a next video soon.